Imagine this. A heavy storm rolls in, dark clouds gather, and the sound of rain begins to pound against your windows. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Now, consider this. What if that rain doesn't just stay outside? What if it seeps into your basement, turning your safe haven into a soggy disaster? Flooding is the most common natural disaster in the US, causing billions in damage every year. This is where sump pumps come into play, acting as your first line of defense against the relentless forces of nature. In this discussion, we're diving deep into the essential facts about sump pumps, their types, features, and why having a backup system is not just an option, but a necessity. Number 1. Sump pumps are specifically designed to remove accumulated water from a sump basin located in your basement. Their primary job is to prevent flooding and keep your space dry. For homeowners in flood-prone areas, having a sump pump is crucial, as it helps maintain the structural integrity of your home and can save you thousands in potential repair costs. Number 2. There are two main types of sump pumps, submersible and pedestal. Submersible pumps sit inside the sump basin, working quietly and efficiently, making them ideal for finished basements. Pedestal pumps, with their motors mounted above the basin, are easier to service but tend to be louder. Choosing the right type depends on your specific space and noise preferences. Number 3. Installation costs for sump pumps can vary widely. Typically, you might spend between $640 and $1,115 for a complete setup, averaging around $1,200. It's wise to budget for any additional costs, like electrical work or backup systems, ensuring your investment is well-rounded. Number 4. Sump pumps primarily rely on electricity to operate, but what happens during a power outage? That's where battery backup systems come in. They ensure your pump keeps running when you need it most. Some advanced models even use water-powered backup systems to provide continuous protection. Number 5. Most sump pumps can handle between 1,800 and 2,200 gallons of water per hour. The capacity you need largely depends on the size of your home and local water table levels. If you live in an area prone to heavy rain, investing in a higher capacity pump can be a game changer. Number 6. On average, sump pumps last about 10 years. Regular maintenance, like cleaning and checking the discharge line, can extend that lifespan. It's highly recommended to schedule annual checks with a licensed plumber to ensure everything is running smoothly. Number 7. A check valve is an essential component that prevents water from flowing back into the sump pit after it's been pumped out. This keeps your system efficient and prevents overworking the pump, enhancing its longevity. Number 8. Noise levels vary significantly between submersible and pedestal pumps. If your basement serves as a living space, noise could be a factor. Submersible models are typically quieter and may be worth the investment for that added piece. Number 9. Modern sump pumps have embraced technology, offering smart features that let you monitor their status remotely via smartphone apps. These systems can alert you to issues before they escalate, giving you added peace of mind. Number 10. With climate change causing more extreme weather conditions, having a reliable sump pump has become more important than ever. Heavy rainfall events have increased significantly over the last century, emphasizing the need for effective flood prevention measures. Choosing between submersible and pedestal pumps means understanding their unique benefits. Submersible pumps are quieter, more efficient, and better suited for larger volumes of water, while pedestal pumps offer easier maintenance at a lower cost but can be noisier. Now, let's talk about backup systems. Having one is essential for uninterrupted operation during power outages or pump failures. Battery backups typically range from $200 to $600 but can save you thousands in potential damages. Water-powered backups provide extra security by utilizing home water pressure to operate when needed. When selecting a sump pump, consider key features like horsepower, which determines how much water your pump can move. Remember that automatic pumps activate when water reaches a certain level. No manual intervention needed, while manual ones require your attention. The material and build quality matter too. Pumps made from cast iron or stainless steel tend to last longer than plastic models. Look for a reliable flow rate that suits your needs. For example, a pump handling 2,200 GPH is great for moderate flooding conditions. Energy efficiency is another factor to consider. Energy-efficient pumps save on electricity while maintaining performance levels. And don't forget about warranties. They indicate manufacturer confidence and provide peace of mind. At Big Home Projects, we understand how crucial it is to protect your home from water damage. Our range of sump pumps caters to various needs and budgets while offering expert advice on selecting the right features for your situation. We connect you with licensed plumbers for professional installation and maintenance checks to keep your system running smoothly. Now that you've learned why sump pumps are vital for protecting your home, ask yourself, are you prepared for the next storm? Investing in a reliable sump pump system can be the difference between a dry basement and a flooded nightmare. As we look ahead, remember that the weather will only grow more unpredictable. Visit our site at Big Home Projects to explore how we can assist you in safeguarding your home with top-notch sump pump solutions. Stay informed and ready because your safety hinges on being proactive in these unpredictable times.